Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of baby sleep, specifically focusing on the art of managing daytime naps to ensure a night filled with sweet dreams. The science behind baby sleep. Understanding the science behind baby sleep is the first step to creating an optimal sleep environment. Babies have shorter sleep cycles, and daytime naps play a crucial role in meeting their sleep needs. The importance of daytime naps. Before we jump into the tips, let's talk about why daytime naps matter. Adequate daytime napping is crucial for your baby's overall well-being and development. It promotes better mood, cognitive function, and, most importantly, a more restful night's sleep. Research shows that well-rested babies tend to sleep better at night. Daytime napping is essential for consolidating memories, enhancing learning, and ensuring your baby is alert and ready for playtime when awake. Creating a consistent nap routine. Now that we understand the importance of daytime naps, let's discuss how to establish a consistent nap routine. Consistency is key. Establish a calming pre-nap routine, such as reading a short story or singing a lullaby. This signals to your baby that it's time to wind down. The perfect nap environment. Next up, let's create the ideal nap environment for your little one. Ensure the room is quiet with minimal distractions. Use blackout curtains to create a dark, sleep-inducing atmosphere. Maintaining a comfortable temperature is also crucial for a peaceful nap. Paying attention to sleep cues. Babies give subtle cues when they're ready for a nap. Recognizing these signals can make a significant difference. Look out for signs like eye rubbing, yawning, or becoming fussy. Responding promptly to these cues helps prevent overtiredness and makes the transition to nap time smoother. How long and when a baby should nap. The ideal nap duration varies with age. Newborns may nap several times a day for shorter periods, while older babies benefit from longer naps. As for timing, try to schedule naps to align with your baby's natural sleep-wake cycle. Monitoring nap duration. While naps are crucial, it's essential to strike a balance. Avoid overly extended daytime naps as they can interfere with nighttime sleep. Aim for age-appropriate nap durations to optimize sleep patterns. And there you have it, parents. Mastering daytime naps sets the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Remember, every baby is unique, so feel free to adapt these tips to suit your little one's needs. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Ababy Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.